This blend, this was concocted from a subscriber slash follower of a family member in Canada. So these are MPower by Rootswerx dry rub that we're using. This is chicken. It has coconut flakes, DD's blend, and some of my Creole blend. It's a combo tonight. It will be cooking for 20 to 30 minutes, baking, so it's like baking slash frying. We have it on high, which is max, so I'm saying maybe it doesn't have a number on there, so we have it on max. Can't figure out why it's so blurry. Oh, I had it too close, that's why. So there you go on max. So it has maybe 2 teaspoons of flour in there, and coconut flakes. So there's my El Negro, DD blend, mouse blend, mestizo, Creole, and banner. You can check the description for information and shoot me an email if you're interested in some of the seasoning. Brought to you by MPower by Rootswerx.